G'day guys, these are 2017 Mitsubishi Tritons. To reset the service, it's pretty standard stuff. You just got to have the ignition off and you just cycle through, right, hold, release, push it again, and it'll say clear and reset. It's just because I did it already. What's interesting to me is this. 58. That was 42 before. I actually don't know what that is. I thought it was days, but it can't be because it's just reset to 58. It can't be months either. But it'll be in the service book. We're just flat out. We don't have really time to look at that, but yeah. That was 42 before I reset it. And also this car's overdue for service, but it did have 11,000 remaining. So this whole thing is just bullshit. Like, we all know you can't do 26,800 Ks, even though the car takes 8.4 litres of oil. It's ridiculous. Like, this car's come in after about 10 or 12,000 and all the filters were blocked. The oil was just destroyed. So yeah, that's a 4N15 2.4 diesel Triton. Okay guys, bye.